Now we will talk about quadrilaterals. A four-sided polygon is a quadrilateral. Three-sided closed figure is called a triangle, and four-sided closed figure is called quadrilateral. It has four sides: first, second, third, fourth, and four angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four angles. As in the case of triangle, you can visualize its interior too. Interior, exterior, or border. Note that the cyclic manner in which the vertices are named. This quadrilateral ABCD has four sides: AB, BC, CD, DA. Cyclic order. It has four angles. First angle is DAB or BAD. Specific name, or angle A, but specific name BAD, DAB, ABC, CBA, DCB, BCD, CDA, ADC. So it has four angles: angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Now this is quadrilateral PQRS. PQRS. Is this quadrilateral PQRS? The name of the quadrilateral is P to S, S to Q, Q to R. That means PSQR. If you will draw PQRS, so PQRS, you are not getting quadrilateral. So the name of this quadrilateral is PSQR. In any quadrilateral ABCD, line segments AB and BC are adjacent sides. You can see A, B and BC. Yes, adjacent sides are there. Common vertex is B. Can you write other pairs of adjacent sides? Yes, adjacent sides. So pair of adjacent sides: BC, DC. Then AD, CD. BA, DA. Now line segment AB and DC are opposite sides. AB, opposite sides of line segment AB is DC. Other pair, opposite sides of BC is just opposite DA. Angle A and C are said to be opposite angles. In front of A you can see angle C. In front of B the angle D is there. So opposite angles, pair of opposite angles, angle A and angle C, angle B and angle D. Naturally, angle A and angle B are adjacent angles. You can see one side, angle A and angle B, adjacent angles are there. You can now list other pairs of adjacent angles. Yes, angle B, angle C, angle C, angle D, angle A, angle D. Other pairs of adjacent sides. Now let us start exercise 4.5. Now see question number first. Draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral PQRS. So already we have rough sketch of quadrilateral PQRS. Okay. Draw its diagonals. Name them. Is the meeting point of the diagonals in the interior or exterior of the quadrilateral? So definition of diagonal is opposite vertex. If you will join, then we will get diagonals. So let us see on the board. Now from the figure you can see quadrilateral PQRS and PR and Q is diagonals. And from the figure we can see the diagonals are interior of the quadrilateral. Now second question, draw a rough sketch of quadrilateral KLMN. State two pairs of opposite sides, two pairs of opposite angles, two pairs of adjacent sides, two pairs of adjacent angles. So let us do on the board. Now in the second question you can see from the figure, in quadrilateral KLMN, two pairs of opposite sides are opposite sides. KL, opposite of NM. LM, opposite of KN. You can see here. Now opposite angles are opposite angle KM, opposite of angle LN, and a specific name of this NKL, LKN. In this way you can give the name. So opposite, pair of opposite angles are angle K, angle M, and angle L, angle N. Two pairs of adjacent sides are. Now two pairs of adjacent sides. Common vertex should be there. So adjacent sides pair KL, LM. Then LM, MN. MN, KN. NK, KL. Any pair we can take. So I have taken here KL, LM. KL, LM. KL, KN. KL, KN. Now two pairs of adjacent angles. Adjacent angles, that means same side. Angle K, angle L. Angle L, angle M. Angle M, angle N. Angle N, angle K. So any two pairs we can take. So two pairs of adjacent angles. Angle K, angle L. Angle M, angle N. Clear? Now third question, investigate. Use strips and fasteners to make a triangle and a quadrilateral. So first we will make a triangle and quadrilateral and we will fasteners, that means हम उसको कील से या उससे अच्छी तरह से टाइट जो है वो कस देंगे. Try to push invert at any vertex of the triangle. Then कोई भी vertex लेके उसको अंदर की ओर हम push करेंगे. Do the same to the quadrilateral. Same process we will repeat with quadrilateral. Is the triangle distorted? Triangle का shape बदलेगा या कोई और shape ले लेगा? No. Is the quadrilateral distorted? You will do this activity, will make one video and then send to me. Is the triangle rigid? Yes. Triangle's shape will not change. Why is it that structure like electric towers make use the triangular shapes and not quadrilaterals? It is the reason behind always electric towers we use triangular shapes, not quadrilateral. क्योंकि quadrilateral जो है उसका shape change हो जाएगा, but triangle's shape will not be changed. Okay, these questions answers I am sending you, but you will make one video, you will read the answer and you will make one video. I will wait for this video.